If you are looking for something fun to do with your little ones this summer, then I've got the thing for you. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and playing with some squishy circuits. I am so excited. And are you excited?
Yes.
And my daughter is so excited to try out these squishy circuits. Now, first things first, let's talk about what's inside. All right. So when you get squishy circuits, you are going to be getting different colored conductive dough. You can either choose from the dough kit or the standard kit, and you'll get a bunch of different colors from that. In addition to that, you will get a quick start guide so that you can quickly start building and having fun. You'll get a QR code, which will give you step-by-step tutorials as well as videos for you to follow along with. You will get these different cards, which will give you examples of different circuits and different things that you can build. Now, you're also going to get the battery pack, which uses 4 AA batteries. And we'll show you what to do with all that. You'll also get some fun sirens and lights. Now, the lights come with different colors, and this is the packaging that it comes in. You guys know I love to keep everything all together, so this does a really good job so that you don't lose all your pieces. So we've been playing around with this, and my daughter loves it. She's gonna show you guys how to build a basic circuit, all right? She had to show me because yeah.
You can use any type of dough instead of the white one, because that's insulating dough, and I'll show you what that does later. So let's get started. Can you open this? Got it. And so just get like a...
So I'm getting a piece?
Yes.
It's a really big piece.
You need a really big piece.
Yeah, I don't think that's gotta be that big.
Well, it doesn't have to be big, but it's easier with a bigger piece.
Okay. Is it big enough?
Yeah, make it into a ball.
What happened?
Make it into a ball.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Your piece is bigger than mine. Does that matter?
No.
Okay. There we go.
Now, first you need... Can you pass me a light bulb?
A light bulb. Coming right up. Here we go. So the light bulbs, Samaya was telling me, has little legs. Mm-hmm. Right? And one leg is longer than the other, right?
Yes.
So does it matter which leg we put inside of which dough?
No, not the dough. It matters where you put the battery thing.
Okay, so which leg goes with which side of the battery?
The shorter leg goes with the black one, and the longer leg goes with the red one, I think.
Okay, so we're gonna put the shorter leg with the black dough and the longer leg with the red dough, right? Mm-hmm. And then we flip the switch to on and we built a circuit. Now what happens if we connect the doughs?
It will stop glowing because electricity always uses the shortest way to get out of the other side.
Okay, we're going to say that without mumbling.
Electricity uses the shortest side to get places. See, if they touch, they just go this through here instead of going the long way. But if you put it far apart, the light bulb is the shortest way.
Okay, so electricity is going to take the shortest path. And so if they're touching this way, it will go through the dough. And if they're pulled apart, it will take the shortest path to get to the other side, right?
Yes. But
okay. Okay, so insulating dough.
If you get peas.
Ooh.
Yeah, this one's harder.
Firmer.
Yeah, because it stops the electricity from going.
Okay.
May I have some insulating dough, please?
Yeah. Just squishing it. There we go.
And if you put the insulating dough in between it, and then they touch,
it still goes through.
Yeah, because insulating dough is blocking the electricity from moving.
Excellent.
It also works with other things like this siren, but you need to remember put the black on the black and the red on the red. Mm-hmm. Wait, it's upside down.
Oh, that's fun. It makes noises.
It makes lots of noises.
All right.
And then there's also another one.
That is really cool.
With a more higher pitch one.
It sure is. That is really, really cool.
And then the bigger pack comes with a bunch of different ones.
Oh, that's fun.
Like
So
like
can-
a spinning thing.
So can we only do it with balls?
No, you can make like a snail. Like with these kits, you can use it to, like, you can make an alien, a fish, a caterpillar.
Snail and whatever you want?
Yeah.
All right, that's cool.
And that's how you make a basic circuit.
One thing that I love about the squishy circuits is that it's educational, that it's not just them playing just to play, which there is some value in that, but they're learning. They're learning how to build these different circuits, and they're having just a really good time discovering, why is it working? Why is it not working? Do I have the wrong side with the wrong color, and different things like that. It is recommended for ages 8 and up, but my 4-year-old was playing with it, figuring it out and having a blast. And so was my 6-year-old. I take that with a grain of salt, especially if you're right there with them. I think that you can even do it with younger ages. And I love the creative aspect of it. Like, they really get a chance to, like, try to build these different things and make it work and figure out why things work and why things don't work. And it keeps them entertained for hours. Like, my kids were playing with this for a solid hour and a half and really enjoying themselves and having a blast. So definitely would recommend this, especially if you're looking for things to keep your little ones entertained while you work with other ones while you're doing homeschool. So check it out. I'll have all the information linked in my description, and you can't go wrong with some squishy circuits. What do you think about squishy circuits?
I really like them, and they're really fun, and I love building new things.
You do?
Uh-huh.
What do you do when you get frustrated and it's not lighting up or it's not making the sound? Do you get frustrated?
Yes, a lot.
So what do you do?
I try again, but with a different. Like, I made a volcano and it didn't light up, so I had to make another volcano next to it so it will light up.
Okay. Like, so that you can attach them together?
Yes.
Oh, that makes sense. All right. Thank you for joining me.